So I'm a general dentist, and my practice is focused on aesthetics. I've been working with US Dental and Richard for, I would say probably 5 or 6 years now. Everybody's always so helpful and so friendly, you know, like I can always count on them to solve the problem, you know, that I have, or come at me with good information. You know, yeah, like helpfulness, I would say, is probably the most important thing for me, because like this stuff is complicated and I don't always have the answer, and so, you know, being busy in practice and these guys I know are going to take care of it is good peace of mind for me, for sure. Oh, it was great. I mean, I thought that the audience was really receptive and really like low pressure kind of setting. You know, everybody was asking a lot of really good questions and listening, and so yeah, it was overall, I think it was a great experience. When you start getting more and more into digital, you sort of can't live without it, you know. There's so many helpful things that I'm doing now that you know, has meant so much to my patients and to my practice. The most important tool was probably the 3D scanner. That's the one I've had the longest, at least, you know, like being able to take digital impressions. It's just so accurate and efficient, patients love it, and like I said, I can't live without it at this point.